All right, hey guys, quick video from one of our viewers, Evolve. You had a question about this structure here. It's really formal, not something that we use very often, and actually I had to do some research and learn how to use this. So we're just gonna quickly go through that, and again, as always, if you have any questions or any other videos that you want me to make, comment below, tell me, and I'll do it, just like I'm doing this one. So today we're talking about be plus to plus verb. So as we know, be equals am is are, or was were. Today most of the examples are using am is or are, so we're going to be talking in the present. And again, I never use this, not something I would ever say, but there are two reasons why we would use this. One is to give an instruction or a command, right? We tell somebody to do something, or we're giving strong advice or a strong command to that person. So if we look at this first example here, if I'm talking to my kids, for example, maybe they want to play. Hey daddy, I want to play. Can I play a game? Can I watch TV? Can I go downstairs? Something like that, right? But I'm going to say you are to do your homework before playing. You are to do your homework before playing. Again, I would never say this, but just something that very formal, maybe a strict parent to a child, or the government to its people, or the police to the citizens, something like that. This is going to be a very formal, very kind of strict construction of English, right? So you are to do your homework. Now, how would I say that more naturally, right? I would say you have to do your homework, or you must do your homework, right? So I would kind of change this, right? You must do your homework, or you have to. Okay, we already have a to there, right? You have to do your homework before playing. That's what I would say. That would be a more natural way to say that, right? We can also use this in the negative, right? So nowadays, coronavirus, you are not to go out without a mask. Okay, so I live in Singapore. So depending on where you live, you might have different rules, but our government has told us we have to wear a mask. So maybe I would see on an official bulletin or an official announcement, and they would say you are not to go out without a mask, right? You are not to go out without a mask. So it's the same meaning. You have to wear a mask. You have no choice. It is an obligation. It's something that I have to do, right? So that's how we would use this construct to give an instruction or give a command, okay? Again, you're not going to hear this so often. This second one, again, probably less common than the first one. This one was a little bit hard for me to imagine. But for example, again, coronavirus, we're talking about Pfizer and all those other vaccines that are out there, right? So the vaccine is to become widely available soon, in March, in the third quarter of 2021, right? Is to become. So this is a future event or a planned event. And and I would say is going to become, or yeah, I would say is going to. Anytime, and if you've seen any of my videos about the future, if anytime we're talking about a planned event in the future, we generally use going to. All right, same thing, we can say the plane is to leave at 6 a.m. Again, not so common, not something I would say. I would say the plane is leaving, right? So we can use that for a future arrangement, or we can, because it's a timetable, because we have a time, and it's usually when a plane takes off or leaves, it's a fixed time. So actually in that case, present simple is better. So that's pretty much it for this. Again, Evolve, thank you so much for giving me this suggestion. I learned something from this video, and if you're not Evolve and you're someone else, you are to like this video, or you are to subscribe to our channel. That's a command. All right, thanks for watching.